What's up, people? Doing a little creek walking. I've walked a pretty good ways, picked up some flint. There's something shining right here in the water. Might not be anything. Yeah, this worked. There's something else. I'll be dang. That's worked too. Cool. Alright guys, I've made it on up the creek a good ways. And this might not be anything, but it kind of looks like it right here. Check it out. Oh yeah. Yes it is. Sweet. Little Bear Creek point maybe. Cool. Alright guys, I've been making my way through this little stream and I hit this little rock pile here and just been walking along close to the ground. And I get up here to the edge where the water starts to get a little deeper. And I've just walked up on a killer. Oh my goodness. I wanted to call it a greenbrier Dalton in the water, but I don't even know. I don't know what that is. It's so bright I can't tell if it's better in the sun or in the shade. That's a trip maker right there. Maybe I'll get back to you. As I'm standing here drooling over this thing, I look down in the same exact spot. And I look down, there's another broke point right there. I'm definitely gonna walk back over this pile. Well, boys, they're out. One of my best walks in a while. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my God. I was not expecting that. I could see the back end of this, the bottom of this right here. I could see this right here. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. That is another smoker. I could have turned around and gone back to the truck after that other one, but I'm glad I kept on walking. I'm gonna keep at it.